Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to pin live score on your dynamic island or live activity on your iPhone. If you want to do that, you need to install this app called AI Score. Open the app and create an account with them. As you can see right here, there are so many sports to choose from. They have football, basketball, tennis, volleyball, esports, hockey, baseball, and so on. Let's say for example you want to pin a live score of your favorite football club currently playing. Click on live and look for the match you want to pin. Click on it. Now click on the phone icon at the top right corner. It's going to pin the live score to your dynamic island. I'm going to show you a demo how it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you try to minimize the app. It will send the scoreline to your dynamic island so you can keep an eye on your favorite matches while you do another thing with your device. And also when you lock your screen, you can see it in your live activity. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.